In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cursor on Wix. If you've ever wanted to add a personal touch or a unique flair to your Wix site, changing the cursor can be an excellent way to do just that. So, let's dive in and explore this easy-to-follow process together. First, what you'll need to do is open the Wix website where you'd like to make the change. Once you're logged in and on your desired site, the fun part begins. To start, look for the Apps section. You'll find this as you navigate through your website editor. Clicking on the Apps link will guide you towards the next step, where we will access the App Market. When you're in the App Market, you'll notice a search bar typically located at the top of the page. This is your tool for finding exactly what you need, in this case, an app to change your cursor. So go ahead and type cursor into the search bar. Once you've done that, a range of options should appear. Some of these cursor apps might require a premium plan to use, while others are freely available. This variety gives you the freedom to choose one that best fits your needs and budget. At this point, you'll want to carefully review the available options. Consider what kind of cursor design or functionality you're looking for. Is it something playful, professional, or maybe a bit quirky? Review the app descriptions to find one that matches your vision for your website. Once you've decided, simply click on the option you prefer. Now, you'll need to add the app to your site. Look for the Add to Site button associated with the app you've selected. Clicking this button is the final action you'll take in terms of setup. Once the app is added successfully, you'll have the ability to change your cursor, bringing that extra layer of personalization to your site. It's worth noting that while some features might be limited in the free versions, there's often plenty of options available without having to spend extra money. If you ever need to explore different cursor options or you're not satisfied with your current choice, you can always revisit the App Market and try a new one. So there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you can transform the look and feel of your website's cursor. Whether it's for an added wow factor or to align more closely with your site's aesthetic, changing your cursor is a great way to enhance user experience. Thanks for following along and happy editing on your Wix site.